police them on the road.
Yeah.
Then wicked man. Now drive the jeep over the turn.
Yeah.
Police stop me on the road. I tell me say, give me my license. So the police are here. And I don't make a one person. And then police are they like cockroach. And then slow.
You see like what?
Cockroach.
Yeah.
Yeah. And mad man. Try not to run on them police there. Stop. Now start to say, when I speed I go to my girlfriend.
Where you go for?
My girlfriend.
And where you do?
Get my girlfriend and go to the beach. So the boy they stop me on the road because I have speed. But my girlfriend never there in the car yet, you know. They will pick her up. Go shoot me that go to the beach. You get it?
Yeah.
Go and chill. But the police stop me and ask me for my license. Now to beg the police and the police say, please police, you book my girlfriend and I got the beach for my girlfriend and I was chilling up. But when we realize it, police give me a chance. This is a video. Police them will see the fault. I put that one police now. I'm not saying what's another one them. I want another one police to see the I'm not speed back police car.
Yeah.
So the two police have to stop the car. I'm not going to follow because then the two police they will back me up. I'm not speed back one another police. You know what I reached at the beach with my girlfriend. The girlfriend kissed me up.
What?
Yeah.
You get kiss up?
Yeah, I rub my back.
What?
Yeah, man.
Where you going?
Yeah, man.
Hmm.
Rub me up.
Yeah? But when you drive on the road, man, you have to speed, you have to take your time.
Yeah, but I saw my girlfriend now pick up.
Yeah.
I tell her the time.
Yeah.
The time she won't go away.
And she take long to get ready.
Yeah, she ready a long time and I call me when the police are there. Ready now?
Yeah.
What now there? They're going around. They're not around too. I'm going ready. Have some nice. Drink some rum. I'm share with my friend them rum.
Yeah. You drink some what?
Rum.
What kind of rum?
Any kind of red stripe.
Red stripe on a rum. It's a beer.
Yeah, beer, but I love beer.
You love beer.
Drunk in that place.
You drunk in that place?
Yeah.
And you drive?
We're not driving that time yet.
You're not driving time there?
No, but I'm good that time yet.
Alright, you want me now? I go up on the road and make some money, so. We will get that, see?